So that is the end of our tutorial on device forensic as we based on USB. So make sure you have all videos and you follow all steps and you have all my articles, all my notes. Make sure you had the FTK imager, you had the autopsy, and the procedure we did as follows: make USB protected from being altered or modified, then make USB image by using by using FTK imager, and the final step is to make analysis by using autopsy and create a reporting. This is Noel Moses Modende, and this is Motech, and I'm Noel Moses Modende. If you have any question, you may ask below. If you have any suggestion, you may put below. Goodbye. Do not miss other videos. There are more videos to come about forensic. So do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.